Step into this picturesque backyard retreat, where whimsical river rock edging adds a touch of charm to meandering pathways and flower beds bursting with native grasses and wildflowers. The naturalistic design effortlessly blends with the surrounding landscape, evoking a sense of serenity and harmony with nature. It's a place where the gentle rustle of leaves and the sweet scent of blooms create a symphony for the senses. Lose yourself in the beauty of this tranquil haven, where every corner reveals a new delight and every step leads to a moment of peace. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where nature's magic awaits around every bend. Step into this serene backyard paradise, where rustic railway sleeper edging lends a nostalgic touch to garden beds overflowing with cottage garden favorites like lavender, daisies, and delphiniums. The informal arrangement evokes a sense of warmth and charm, reminiscent of a countryside retreat straight out of a storybook. It's a place where time seems to slow down, and every bloom whispers tales of bygone days. Whether you're strolling along the winding pathways or simply basking in the beauty of nature, this idyllic sanctuary offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Welcome to your own slice of rural bliss. Step into this stunning backyard sanctuary, where decorative mosaic tile edging brings a burst of color and pattern to garden beds overflowing with tropical plants and exotic blooms. The vibrant palette creates an atmosphere that's both lively and inviting, perfect for entertaining guests or savoring quiet moments in nature's embrace. It's a place where every corner is a work of art, where the kaleidoscope of hues dances in harmony with the lush greenery. Whether you're hosting a soiree under the stars or simply unwinding with a book and a cup of tea, this vibrant oasis promises to elevate every moment with its undeniable charm and beauty. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Step into this enchanting backyard oasis, where bamboo edging gracefully borders a tranquil pond adorned with delicate water lilies and lush aquatic plants. The soothing sound of trickling water harmonizes with the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape, weaving a tapestry of serenity and tranquility. It's a place where time stands still, and every ripple on the water's surface tells a story of peace and contemplation. Whether you're lounging by the water's edge or simply taking in the sights and sounds of nature, this serene haven offers a respite from the chaos of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where relaxation reigns supreme. Welcome to this charming backyard hideaway, where whimsical recycled tire edging adds a playful border to the vegetable garden and herbaceous borders brimming with culinary delights. The sustainable design not only adds a quirky touch to the outdoor space but also champions eco-conscious living in a fun and creative way. It's a place where sustainability meets whimsy, where every tire tells a story of resourcefulness and creativity. Whether you're harvesting fresh veggies or simply enjoying the beauty of nature's bounty, this enchanting sanctuary invites you to embrace a greener way of living while indulging in the simple joys of gardening. Welcome to your own eco-friendly haven. Step into this breathtaking backyard escape, where natural stone and timber edging dance in perfect harmony with the landscape. Meandering pathways beckon, bordered by lush flower beds and manicured shrubs, inviting you to wander and wonder. It's a tranquil oasis, a sanctuary for the soul amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Lose yourself in the beauty of nature's embrace, where each corner unveils a new delight. Whether it's a quiet moment of contemplation or a gathering of friends, this outdoor haven promises serenity and joy in equal measure. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Step into this enchanting backyard sanctuary, where elegant brick edging gracefully defines the borders of meticulously manicured garden beds. Amongst the lush greenery, vibrant blooms like roses and peonies paint a picture-perfect scene with bursts of color. And nestled amidst this floral tapestry, a cozy seating area beckons, promising leisurely gatherings and intimate conversations. It's a place where time slows down, and every moment feels like a cherished memory in the making. Whether you're sipping tea surrounded by nature's beauty or sharing laughter with loved ones, this oasis offers tranquility and charm in abundance. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Step into this breathtaking backyard retreat, where tiered retaining walls gracefully serve as edging for terraced garden beds bursting with a vibrant array of flowering plants and cascading foliage. The terraced design not only creates visual interest but also maximizes space in this outdoor haven, offering a feast for the eyes at every level. Amidst this botanical wonderland, a cozy fire pit beckons, providing a warm and inviting focal point for outdoor gatherings and starlit conversations. It's a place where beauty meets functionality, where every corner invites exploration and every moment promises to be unforgettable. Welcome to your own oasis of natural splendor and relaxation. Step into this captivating backyard haven, where sleek metal edging defines geometric-shaped garden beds bursting with sculptural succulents and ornamental grasses. The modern design adds a contemporary flair to the outdoor space, offering a refreshing departure from the ordinary. Minimalist pathways effortlessly guide you through the landscape, creating a seamless flow that invites exploration. It's a place where clean lines meet lush greenery, where simplicity and sophistication intertwine to create a harmonious oasis. Whether you're admiring the striking shapes of the plants or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll, this sanctuary promises a retreat from the chaos of everyday life. Welcome to your own modern paradise. Step into this inviting backyard oasis, where ornate wrought iron edging weaves graceful curves around lush flower beds and winding pathways. Amongst the verdant foliage, climbing roses and jasmine vines intertwine, infusing the air with a romantic fragrance that tantalizes the senses. In the heart of it all, a bubbling fountain stands as a serene focal point, inviting moments of relaxation and quiet reflection. It's a place where every corner whispers tales of tranquility and every bloom dances in the gentle breeze. Whether you're seeking solace in nature's embrace or simply basking in the beauty of the moment, this enchanting sanctuary promises an escape from the ordinary. Welcome to your own private paradise.